The situation for women in Congo, it's tragic. They are fetching firewood, fetching water, at the market selling some of their harvest to be able to send their children to school. Yet they hold no economic power at all. A girl is considered of marriage at age 13. The fact that young girls can't even finish high school is heartbreaking and unacceptable. It takes so little to create such a big change. Giving them seed money to grow a business or getting a group of women to manage a milling machine for the community. We can start there. We can start addressing basic everyday needs. Thanks to conferences like these, women are starting to realize that they do have a voice. And if the boys don't make room for us, we're gonna make room for ourselves. I hope in 10 years from now, we have so many women in all leadership positions that women's issues are no longer ignored.